If you are looking to stop recurring charges on Cash App, this guide will help you navigate the process step by step. Follow these instructions to manage your subscriptions effectively. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on your profile icon or the account balance at the top of the screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage various options. Step 3. Go to the Payments section. Scroll down and find the Payments section in your account settings. Here, you will see a list of your recent transactions and any active subscriptions. Step 4. Identify recurring payments. Look for any recurring charges or subscriptions that you want to cancel. Tap on the specific payment or subscription to view more details. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Once you have selected the subscription, look for the option to cancel it. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation, ensuring that you will no longer be charged in the future. By following these steps, you can successfully stop any recurring charges on Cash App. If you have any further questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Cash App support.